How to add music in Messenger Notes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Here on top of your screen, you will see your profile icon. So tap on the share a song option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the music icon you see there, and you will then be allowed to add music. So scroll through and choose the music of your choice, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for the music of your choice. Once you have tapped on your preferred music, you can then go ahead and adjust the exact part of the music that you want to add to your notes. Once done, tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen, and you can then go ahead and share a thought if required, else it's not compulsory. Finally, tap on the Share option you see there on top of your screen, and with this, your notes with music in it will be added. So this is how you can add music in Messenger Notes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.